Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. I'm very excited today because I want to launch a new metric that I cannot say this because financial reason on the chart. So let me do this. Travis, I'm talking to you, just me in the same room. If you allow me to do this, Travis, I can get you into very, very good positions right now, and I believe you can make a great deal of money. All right, that's what I got to say, guys, if you interpreted me there. I have a metric I'm going to show you guys, but there's a little dilemma we have on the charts, so I need your feedback in the comments. I believe Dogecoin is about to seize possibly one of the biggest moves up here because we are getting exhausted at the bottom here, and we are also seeing divergence on the indicators, but not just on Dogecoin, on Ethereum as well, and other big cryptos. Divergence is happening right now. These are strong signals in the market that we can start heading back up, and I will cover that. But here's what I want to show you guys. You know the trades we've been winning on this channel if you've been following this. We took a profit over here of 17% on GRT. We then took a profit of 19.36% on UNI. We then took a profit of 20% on GRT. We took another 20% profit on Compound, and then another 15.14% on BTC. Like, this is it. These are all the winning trades. We haven't lost any trades on this channel yet, okay? But here is the thing. This is where I literally was dreaming about this, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I can get you guys into some incredible trades right now, but here's the problem. And it's not just me. It's every single signal provider out there is running into this problem, and I have a solution that I want to give to you guys specifically. Here's the problem. When I make a trade call, I give my entries, my take profits, and my stop loss, and all the pretty much the buy limits is what I'm using in place of a stop loss here. You guys cannot enter into another trade setup until the current trade setup ends. You could be waiting 1 to 2 weeks, and I could have gotten you guys into I know I can't prove this to you, but once you see the chart, you're like, okay, I understand. Travis could have actually gotten us into a ton more profit. I can get you guys into a whole lot more profit into the market, but here's the dilemma here, is that I would need to, in order to make space for this, I can make trade calls literally for you guys today. Right now, I could launch this on the website and give this to you guys, and I would replace all of the current live trades that are going on, even Cardano, even Ethereum, all of that, and I would replace it with this. This is the new metric on here, and it has a full explanation of how to trade it. I even give you guys a tutorial video, and it links straight to the metrics. This will allow you to enter a trade whenever you want at any hour of the day. 365 days. Like, you will always have the best trade setup. The hedge funds I have worked with, this is the exact chart I would give them if they're like, Travis, I need to move $10 million. This has literally happened before. Travis, I've got $5 million in my hedge fund right now. I need you to convince me and tell me, how do I get my money into the market and making money? Another guy, hey, Travis, I've got, this hedge fund I'm working with, these clients, I've got $8 million. You need to tell me how to get in and give me some non-financial advice of where to buy. This is exactly the same chart I sent to them, okay? These are levels in here. You basically take the current live price, you have your 4 buy limits right below here, and you have your sell limit or your take profit right here. You guys can exit with any of the metrics. This is always relevant every day at any time, so you can start taking trades on this. I will come out with this for Dogecoin as well. I believe right now are some of the best times to buy all the cryptocurrencies, but here's my dilemma. I would then take this trade off of the website and off of the channel. So I would not cover this anymore, but in turn, I would come over here and I would actually show you guys the updates of the best trades to take every single time I'm on the video, okay, guys? I could show you all the best trades, and you could enter them immediately that day. Instead of having to wait 2 to maybe 3 weeks for the next trade call to come out, I can start getting you guys into great trades right now. You need to let me know if you guys want that. If you guys are currently in these trades, and if the mass majority is like, Travis, get rid of these. We want to get into profit right now. Give us the new metrics so we can start trading. If anybody's in any of these, email me, and I promise I will walk you through this. If you've gotten into the beginning of these trades, I will walk you through this and give that to you guys. Make sure you guys have a membership over at tradeconfident.io. That new metric is going to be ridiculously profitable for you guys, and I will be covering profits on this channel. So please let me know, and I'm so sorry I took so long to say that, but in the comments, please let me know. Okay, for those of you guys who came to this video for this analysis, the trend exhaustion, I'm so sorry if that was just like so much overwhelming for new subscribers, but honestly, guys, that metric is people are going to try to copy it. I know they will, because it's going to be so profitable for you guys. Anyways, you guys get access to it at tradeconfident.io, $49 a month. Watch this. Divergence is happening on this chart. We see whale money flow moving into the market right now while price is moving down. Okay, what happened last time we moved down here to the very low section and we saw divergence on the chart with price moving down? We couldn't help but skyrocket back up here, and that was a move of 55 to 56%. Could we be seeing 56% come on Bitcoin Dogecoin? Yes, I believe Bitcoin is in the same move right now, the capitulation stage, which is basically where everybody just gives up in the market. But that is when the whales buy. Watch this over here. Let me show this to you with the metrics over here on Dogecoin right now. If you guys are watching this, it's going to update in about an hour and a half. It's like 6:30 right now, and they updated 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. This metric is showing fearful and anxious. This is where whales and institutions will buy this. I promise you guys, like, the best thing to do right now, and this is not financial advice, entertainment purposes only, if I'm talking to myself in the room, it's like, these are the times to buy. Now, I covered that this is not a good sign for a cryptocurrency in general when you have long trades moving out and short trades moving out, but let's watch this. I do think over the next 1 to 2 weeks, we will actually start seeing long trades start to increase in here, and maybe even short trades start to increase as well, because I believe we are due for a move back up here in Dogecoin over the next 1 to 2 weeks, and I'll be covering this on this channel. Okay, long and short trades. We are down here, and we are consistently moved down to the good long trade and great long trade section. Historically, when we've got down here, I've covered this many times. Last time we got down here in the past, we ended up seeing this move up right here. See this blue line? We triggered great long trade. We immediately moved up after that. Right here, we see a great long trade. We moved up right after that. Great long trade. We immediately moved right up back after that. 1, 2, 3, 4 signals in a row have not been wrong. We didn't trigger yet, but we could be triggering in today and then over the weekend another great long trade signal. What does that mean? If you're going to take a trade, a great long trade is what you want to do. Okay, guys, are you following me here? Like, something huge could happen in the crypto market pretty soon. Let's watch this. Also, we saw a decrease of whales being interested in the long trades. I already showed this to you guys that they already made 17% just on this single little move right here. Like, that's not much. It was 17% that they made. Crazy moving here. If you guys take the bottom of this wick and you pull all the way up to the top here, it was around 17%. That's showing 20%. If I zoom in more, which I did on another video, it was around 17%. I'm going to be honest with you guys. It wasn't 20, it was about 17%. Okay? So what's happening again is they're ramping back up in long trades. Okay, like something's coming for Dogecoin, and I'm calling this for you guys on here. Also, the dollar cost average, I do believe we're going to get another green line on here for you if you guys are like, I just need the best metric to call the bottoms so I can dollar cost average on a daily basis and just throw my money in at low points before we move back up. Okay, I believe we're going to start getting a signal on this metric maybe this weekend or the next week, okay? Watch that strongly. And then let's see what happens once we start shooting back up. This is calling the drops before they happen. And this is how you guys can exit out of the market. Not only just with, putting in your dollar cost averages here and exiting, but also with the new metrics I want to release to you guys for the Matic metrics that I was showing you. You guys can use the any of these metrics to help call a profitable exit once you're into the new trade setups, okay? So let me guys know in the comments what you think of that, if I should release it or not. And I do think that the crypto market could head down a little further here, so please hear those words out. I do believe we could head down further, but signs historically, fundamentally, with money flow and technicals are pointing to a move up that is due very soon. Okay, divergence is the strongest indicator on indicators that you can find is divergence. The trend exhaustion, the price versus the well money flow, and the trend dashboard, these are all going up in price August 1st. So just like 14 more days here, I'm upping the price of all these. So if you want them on your chart and you like how these have called the past drops and moves back up, get them on there. You guys can get those on there today. God bless you guys. I will update you guys on Monday. So make sure over the weekend you have access to tradeconfident.io with your membership, and you guys will be able to get access to all that. I'm so sorry if these last 2 videos have been a little bit more informative about just the website and the members. That's not what I mean to do. I'm not trying to turn these into sell videos. I honestly believe, guys, I can come out and give you guys some incredible entries right now on all these cryptocurrencies But I just need your approval if you're okay if I take these off the charts on TradingView as well as the YouTube videos. Because I don't want anyone to come in here and say, "Hey, Travis, you took trades off that were in the loss and you didn't let them fully expire. Either heading down or taking profit." I don't want to be that person that does that. I want to honor you guys, and I need you to tell me what you would want since you are the viewers. I'm in Cardano, and I am in ADA, and I will personally manage those trades until I'm in the profit. But I have trade setups I can get you guys into right now that will make a whole lot more money than if you have to wait. If you wait for these trades to end, you're going to miss out on the profit. That's just the honest fact. So you guys let me know what you want to do, and I will honor your guys' opinions, okay? Have a good one, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Let me know in the comments. God bless you. And I'll see you Monday. Bye-bye.